Ito ang pinakamalaking taklobo guys, naka-display na dito sa National Museum dito sa Maynila. Grabe ang laki nito guys, oh. Nasa 200 kilos daw ito guys. Okay. Sa English nito ay clam, sa Tagalog taklobo. Okay, sobrang laki, oh. Bawal lang to hawakan dito sa National Museum guys. Yan, libre lang dito yung pag picture video, pero bawal hawakan yung mga naka-display dito sa National Museum. Giant clam, 3 duck na gigas, and Zamboanga Peninsula, 1758. Grabe, 1758 pa pala ito nakuha, o ano. Grabing laki, oh. Magbasa pa nga tayo dito. The species is the largest of all giant clams, which can measure about 15 meters across and weighs more than 200 kilograms. It has thick and heavy shell with 4 to 5 triangular protrusions towards the inner part of the shell opening. When alive, the fishy of mantle is golden brown with a bluish or greenish tint. Ganun ba yun? The margins of the mantle have a bluish purple or greenish iridescent spots.